Alright guys, go ahead and draw a graph for me in your notebook. Doesn't have to be too fancy. We're going to go over graphing real quick. And I'm going to have you graph y equals negative 2 over 3x plus 4. Now hit pause on the computer and go ahead and graph this on your own for me. Hopefully you've done that. Let's go ahead and do this now on our own. When we look at this, we know right away that this 4 is going to be 1, 2, 3, 4 on the y-axis right there. So let's go ahead and do that. Okay. And then I'm going to go down 2, because it's negative, over 3. It's fall over run. 1, 2, down 2, over 1, over 2, over 3. Fall over run. And there's my line. If it asks you for the slope, you know the slope equals negative 2 over 3. If it asks you for the y-intercept or the b, it equals 4. Okay? Now, let's go over what you're going to see on the back side of your quiz, which you guys should be fine at. Don't worry. But I'm going to give you one little kind of curveball one. Is the one I gave you was a horizontal table. I think it's like question 8, 7 or 8. Table kind of looks like this. X, Y. And then you'll have some values in here. So we'll go ahead and just write these values down. Can you write this table for me in your notes? And you have that for your table. You still have normal data. You have X values and Y values. The difference is, it's horizontal. It's written this way. Don't think 8 and negative 3 is your point. These are both X values. Your point is actually right here. 8 and 12, X, Y, X, Y. You know how points are written. So if I was to write this point out, and I actually put a note in your quiz to actually write it out like this, 8, 12, and negative 3, 5. Those are your 2 points. And there's an XY and an XY. From there, you should know what to do. You're going to handle this just like you would the way we've been talking about it. I told you difference of y, and that triangle is a difference sign over the difference of x, or the change of y over the change of x. As we do that, you go ahead and try that on your own, and we're going to check our work right now. You can always pause it, and if you set it up properly, I have 12 minus a negative 3. The minus is this is part of the formula. It's the difference. So that's the difference of y. This is one of the y's with the negative, and this is the 12 here. Okay, don't get that mixed up. Now, the difference of y's over the difference of x. 8 minus 5. Okay, if we do this properly, we're going to get, remember this part right here, we have 2 negatives. If you remember from Mr. Holland's class, when they're right next to each other, you are going to make it a plus. So you're going to get 15. 12 plus 3, that's peace, right? They're both the same, they're both positive. And then 8 and negative 5, that's war. The positive 8 is going to win by 3. You're almost done. 15 over 3 can be reduced to 5 over 1, or just 5. Alright, best of luck on the quiz. If you finish early, please do page 106. They're on the back shelf, the book. You can just take any book and rip out page 106, okay? If you have extra time, do page 106 for extra credit. Alright guys, good luck. I want to see some good scores on Thursday.